How to add link to your Pinterest profile. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. To add links on your Pinterest profile, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open your Pinterest app. Now go to your profile. To do this, on bottom of your screen you will find different options. So on bottom right hand side you will find this option saved, so tap on it. And then you will see this kind of page. So here on top left hand side of your screen you will find your profile icon, so tap on it. Now here on top of your screen you will find this option view profile, so tap on it. Now here on middle of your screen you will find this option of edit profile, so tap on it. Now simply scroll down all the way to bottom. And here you will find this option website. So simply copy the link of your website and then paste over here. So as soon as you add link over here, on top right hand side of your screen you will find this option done, so tap on it. And you will be successfully able to add link on your Pinterest account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.